Okay, we'll do a little safety check here. Scroll down. And let's take a look. Bypass. Set to optimal. 180 feet. That should get us over any power lines. Maximum altitude. Don't need to go any higher than that. We have. And let's take a look at our battery info. Oh, battery's got plenty of life. Okay. Let's go fly. Make sure we get our return to home. And then we're going to buzz up here to about 100 feet. Get us up above the power lines. And we'll fly about 120 feet here. We'll zip out over the flood zone. You can see that we're going to be right over the river here. You can see the river coming down. Going to get up a little bit so we can see out there. You can see how the river just went right over its banks here. Flooded all this farmland. Got a few houses out here that are underwater. There's Van Giesen. It's shut down right now because it's washed out up here. And I'm going to follow down the roadway here for just a little bit. Follow out here a ways. Kind of keeping her in cinematic view so we can look at all the floodwaters here on both sides of the road. The houses out there. That's Van Giesen. It's underwater. So now we know why the road is closed. And Van Giesen is flooded all the way down. You can see both sides of the highway. And there's the railroad crossing out there where the bypass is. So, I mean, it's all the way out here to the bypass. And that's Van Giesen underwater. Never seen that much before. Wow. So we're gonna spin around here. Transmission's getting weak. So we'll head back. Wow. Bring her down. We don't need to be up that high. we got birds. We've got birds. I'm going to switch her into a little bit faster mode here as we head back home. Van Giesen. I'm going to stay over the roadway here a little bit. Got somebody coming down the highway here. That was quite a flock of birds right there. Birds always make me nervous. Here we're going to come right across the bridge here. Make this a little bit of a short video here as we take off, come back over the bridge. And let's dial in right on our home spot here. Should be seeing you pretty soon here. And I'm going to hit the return to home. And here she comes. Let's make sure I don't land on the car. And there we are.